Hello my dear students. Today we will start chapter 3, classification of business activities. So here we will discuss industry and its types and role of small business in India. So first of all, let us see what is industry. Industry means the production of goods for sale by the application of human or mechanical power. It is concerned with changing the form of goods from any stage, from raw material to the finished product. Or if I give a simple meaning of industry, is that it is a place where inputs are transferred into outputs. Inputs means raw materials and output means finished products. Clear? Now let us see types of industries. On the basis of activity, industry may be classified into two broad categories. The first one is primary industries and the second one will be secondary industries. So, primary industries, industries which provide basic raw materials, from natural source are called primary industry. These are of two types, genetic and extractive. So, what are genetic industries? These industries are concerned with the breeding, or we say reproducing and multiplying, of certain species of plants and animals with the object of earning profits from their sale. So, for example, plant nurseries, poultry farms, cattle breeding farms, dairy farming, fish hatcheries, and forestry are example of genetic industries. And number B, extractive industries. These industries are engaged in extracting useful materials from soil, air, water, and from beneath earth's surface. In these industries, the products gifted by nature are obtained for the benefit of mankind. So examples are agriculture, mining, quarrying, oil exploration, afforestation, fishing, hunting are some of the example of extractive industries. And let us see what are secondary industries. Secondary industries. So these are those industries which use materials provided by primary industries. So the first one is manufacturing industry. So these industries are concerned with the processing or transformation of raw materials and semi-finished products into finished products. Such industries change the shape and form of materials produced by genetic and extractive industries. They create form utility. For instance, the iron ore extracted through mining is converted into steel. Engineering, cement, sugar, textile, jute, etc. are the main examples. Number B, construction industries. What are construction industries? So these industries are engaged in the construction, erection and fabrication of building, bridges, roads, dams, canals, etc. They utilize the products of manufacturing industries such as bricks, steel, cement, etc. And these industries create basic infrastructures through process of fabrication. And this distinctive feature of this industry is that their product remain fixed at one place and cannot be taken physically to market for sale. Products of construction industries are very durable. Clear? Now let us see industries on the basis of size and scale. So on the basis of size or scale of operation, industries may be classified as follows. So micro, small, medium and large. So let us see one by one micro, small, medium and large industries. So the first one is micro units. Micro industries, a unit where in investment in plant and machinery is up to rupees 25 lakh in case of manufacturing, and up to rupees 10 lakh in case of service enterprise. Number 2, small units, or we say small industries, a manufacturing unit where investment in plant and machinery is more than rupees 25 lakh but does not exceed rupees 5 crore. And in case of service enterprise, the limit are rupees 10 lakh and rupees 2 crore respectively. Clear? Number 3, medium units. In medium units, a manufacturing unit has investment in plant and machinery more than rupees 5 crore but does not exceed rupees 10 crore. And in case of service enterprise, these limits are rupees 2 crore and rupees 5 crore respectively. And number 4, large units, a manufacturing unit where investment in plant and machinery exceeds rupees 10 crore. And in case of service units, investment in equipment exceeds rupees 5 crore. So these were the types of industries on the basis of size and scale. Okay, you have to learn these 4 types of industries. Okay, so these were the types of industries: primary industries, secondary industries, and industries on the basis of size and scale. Now we will see role of small business in India. This will be the last topic of this section. Role of small business in India. The first one is employment. Okay, small business in India provides employment. Okay, as small scale business use mainly labor intensive technique. Okay, and therefore they have high potential to provide employment to youths. Okay, now let us see the second one. Number 2, optimization of capital. So small scale firms require very less capital per unit of output, and that is the reason the greater output can be obtained with small investment. Okay, number 3, feeder to large industries. Now small scale firms manufacture various components such as spare parts, tools and accessories which are required by large scale firms. Clear? Now the last point, social advantage. Small scale firms helps in raising the per capita income and standard of living in the country. Okay, small scale industries provide opportunity to young men and women with limited money to start their own business and thereby become entrepreneur. So these were the role of small scale industries or small scale business in India. Okay, now in the next class we will discuss about commerce and its branches. Okay, so today we have discussed about industry, so in the next class we will discuss about commerce. Clear? So that's all for today. Take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, students.